buksan natin. Ang social naman. From Rustans. Ganda. Thank you, baby bear. Thank you. Hindi lang to sa akin. This is also for Muham. Thank you, baby. So this is from my Moochies. From my Moo children. So merong mga cute stickers. Because they know that we love stickers so much. So ayan. Gift from the Moochie. Pag Moochie talagang sharp siya. Ano ba to? Tignan natin. Curious ako. Open natin. Ah! Thank you, babies! Nakalimutan ko from Ate Marie. Or Nanay Marie. Ayan. So, I think this one is for me and also for Muham. Ayan. My children told me that this bag is really special. Kaya hinuli natin siya. Tignan natin. Bakit siya special? But don't get me wrong. Each one of these gifts is really special for me. Ayan, may letter tayo. Basahin natin yan mamaya. Ay, sa isang box, madami din siyang box sa loob. So, box in a box. So, meron siyang mga accessories. Oh my God. Talagang naku-curious na ako kung anong laman neto. Meron din mga cute stickers. It's me. Extreme happiness. And sa bawat box, may mga mukha ko rin. Ang cute! Step 1, smile. Step 2, open. Step 3, wala na. Just thank me later from Mayan. Wireless microphone! Ah, finally! May microphone na tayo! Ito naman ang next box. Legit na to? Or pinaprank nyo ako? Prank ata to. Osmo, bakit legit nga! Hoy! Finally! May vlogging camera na tayo! Thank you, baby! Thank you, Mayan! Grabe! Alam ko kung gaano kamahal to. As someone na very kuripot, sobra ko talagang na-appreciate yung generosity ninyong lahat. Maliit o malaking bagay man yan, sobra ko talagang na-appreciate. I think eto ata yung day na first time ko nakatanggap ng ganito kadaming gifts galing sa inyo, galing sa mga taong sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa akin. Kaya thank you so much! Siyempre gusto ko din i-flex yung mga flowers. Napaka-cute! Thank you! Also from my children. Thank you, babies! May pahabol na gift from USA! Chocolates! Meron tayong on-socks. Grabe naman. Meron din chocolate. Ay, polo. Yayamanin. Eto. The best to. Anne Klein na watch. Two-tone. Yee! Meron din another chocolate and lotion. Ito yung favorite ko. Alo na jacket! Yay! First time ko magka-alo na jacket. Ito naman yung gifts for Muhem and Yoli. So, all in all, the gifts. It's time to sleep! Char, I'm not sure kung makakatulog pa ako, but then again, maraming salamat. Hindi pa ako makaiyak, siguro kasi, grabe pa yung adrenaline rush. Buhay na buhay pa ako, gising na gising pa ako, hindi pa nagsisink in lahat. Now finally, I am home, and finally, nakita ko na yung ibang children and babies ko, and also celestials. And lahat ng taong sumusuport at nagmamahal sa akin. Bukas, pupunta na tayo ng Sultan Kudarat, my beloved province. So talagang, alam mo yun, wala pa akong moment para i-process lahat ng nangyayari sa akin ngayon. For sure, before flying back to Vietnam, doon ko palang marirealize na, mamimiss ko kayong lahat. And again, I do appreciate everything. I love you all. Gift from Maruha. Yay! Meron na akong slippers. And this box. Ay! Ah! Hala! Camera! Camera! Oh my God! For Lovely. Puro food. Alam mo talagang makakain ko. And also, there's chocolate inside. Ayan. Crystal, thank you, baby girl. You'll never ever get tired unboxing all of these gifts. Another one. And this is to Daddy Shark from Kay or Kai. Thank you, baby love. Ang cute. Okay, so my most favorite word for the day is cute. And I really appreciate it if the gifts that you're giving me are talagang linked sa personality ko. So thank you, baby. Another neck pillow. And it's Hello Kitty. This is from Celestials naman. Okay. So, kapag galing sa Mo Children, there is a sticker na galing sa kanila. And also, if it's galing from Celestials, may sticker din. Grabe ang effort. Thank you, babies. Mo Children again. Charlotte Folk! Nakakaloka! Another one from my Mo Children. Hoy, grabe na ang budget. Ang lala. Sad, walang letter. Pero thank you so much. This gift is from Pearl. Ang effort. Wow. So, I think these are all stickers. Tapos, ako to nung sa pageant days ko pa. And, syempre, with Mommy Shark. So, ito, meron din mga Celestial stickers. So, unahin na natin po. This gift is from my Celestial official. Yay! Another pajama set. Syempre, from my Celestial family. Thank you, babies! From my Celestial family. Ang cute! Hello Kitty again! Another gift from Dan. Shark ba to? Ang cute! Wala na ko ibang sinabi kundi cute. Another gift from my Celestial family. Ang effort talaga. So, anong meron? Hi! Magagamit ko to for sure. This is for Pocket 3. Ano ibig sabihin nun? And also, another jacket. And another lalagyan. Cute. Thank you, baby! Oh my God! Thank you! Wala akong masabi, but thank you. This is from Maan. Thank you, baby. Ang ganda. Look. So, for sure, this is for Mommy Shark and this is for me. Thank you! Okay, so nag-break time lang ako. We had a dinner with my National Director, Sir Pao. So, now, let's resume. Okay, so this is a gift from... yung box niya. May mga mukha ko. This gift is from Missy. Hala! Thank you! Another gift from my Celestials baby. Tapos, my shirt. Another gift from the Celestials. Hala! 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 Ang cute! Oh my God! For sure, Mommy Shark will be so happy with this gift. Hala! Ang ganda! Ay, grabe kayo! Ang ganda naman! Thank you! Pinapaiyak niyo na ako talaga. I don't wanna cry because I am wearing contact lenses and my eyes are so tired right now. It's so spicy. Kasi I don't have enough sleep and I'm also sleepy. This is also from Ate Marie! Ay, magagamit ko to. Thank you! So I am right now at my hotel room and I am going to show you some of the presents that I have received earlier. Ah! Wow! Like, wow! Earlier with the Empire team, we already did some of the unboxing. So right now, I am going to show you some of the gifts that we unboxed. So etong una, shark! So this is from Leia. Lovely went out, lovely came back. Daddy Shark na pala, 5555. Ang lovely namin, Instant Shark ng Pinas. Welcome back to the Philippines. Open this to see your present from Leia. From my children. Ayan. So this gift is from, grabe ang effort, from Jane. Hi, baby Jane. So another shark one. And this is a shirt. Thank you, baby. Next is from my baby Tina. So, meron tayong flower. This one is so cute. Also, a ball pen. I'm going to use this. And, unbox na natin. Ang sweet. Thank you, baby Tina. From Pop Mart. Hello. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano siya. 3, 2, 1. Ang cute! Grabe! Thank you, baby Tina! So, may letter din. Hello to Daddy Shark. Welcome back. Sana magustuhan mo. And gamitin niyo po ang gift ko. Ako po mismo gumawa ng ballpen. And my fuzzy wire flower. Mag-enjoy din po sana kayo sa pag-open ng mga blind box. Yung Pop Mart zodiac sign mo, Pisces yon. Ha? I love you always, Daddy Shark. From ABC Christina. Thank you, baby Tina. Love you more. Baka abot to ng ilang oras. Tignan natin kasi ang dami pang gifts sa likod. But I promise we will open it one by one. Ay, mahal, Zaya. Thank you. Barbie, ang cute. Thank you. Syempre, of course, my favorite, the letter. Another from my children. Muchi. This one is from Res from GC1. Okay, open na natin. Ang cute! Same sa neck pillow ko. And syempre, again, my letter. Thank you, baby! This gift is from Inzi Tan for Tumuche. Welcome back, Chelsea! Welcome back to the Philippines. I hope you enjoy your vacation. Stay safe, pretty. God bless you, and I'm so, so proud of you. So, merong mga purple stuff. My Oreo! And again, another purple stuff. And ang cute! Thank you, baby! Okay, let's open this. Sana may letter inside. pangit pag wala ka. Kinabahan ako dun, Mi. From SA, isuot mo na to. Magtatampo na ako sa'yo. Okay, sige. I love you and proud kami sa'yo. Thank you, baby. Tignan natin kung ano to. Ay! Ang cute! Promise, I'm gonna wear this. Or Abyang from Dan. Nako, ano kaya to? Chocolate! Ang dami! Thank you, baby! This one is kinda heavy. So let's see. Oh! Ang cute! Cute! Sabi na eh. Pajama again! Oh! I hope there's a letter inside. Okay, I'm going to check it later. But again, thank you!